Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. So I want to show you how to resolve a situation whereby you try to actually create an application group, and you can see that if I go to my software library, and here you can see under application management, I only have application license information for store apps, and I'm not seeing the application group. So but what I could actually do to make sure that the application group is available in my application management is to go to my administration, and here we have the features, and in features you can see that I have the application groups. But if I try to actually turn this feature on, here you can see that the turn on is gray out. So what is happening here? But if I see like this release, if I try to put on like let me look for a feature like bootlocker management, I can as well turn this on. So the reason why I couldn't turn this application group on, I'm going to show you that reason, and we can resolve this issue. So first of all, let's go to my site configuration and then click on site. In site, I'm going to click the hierarchy settings. Here can see that it says consent to use the pre-release features. Pre-release features are actually features which are still in a test mode, so it's not going to work like the same features which has been released into production. So it says, let me just click this first. It says by checking this box, you agree to the use of pre-release features that may be included in configuration manager for early testing. So what I'm going to do is I just click apply and then click OK. So let me go back again to my future here. And if I try to click on application group right now, let me try. You can see that I can turn my application group on. So that is how you actually turn your application group on. And if the turn on is gray out, you have to actually consent to use the pre-release feature before you can be able to turn any other features that are still in pre-release. If I go to the orchestration group as well, I should be able to turn this on. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. And if you have any question, you can always send me an email or leave a comment below this video, and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. I'm also going to leave my email address below this video. Just go to the description section of this video. You will see my email, my personal email address, which you can send me email, and I will reply to you as quick as possible. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.